Hi, this is the Samsung Galaxy F34 and I'll show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on this device. We should open first the Settings app and then tap to Wallpaper and Style. Click here to change wallpapers and you'll see here all of the default wallpapers on your device, photos from your device gallery or downloaded from the internet. Also, you could use the another online wallpapers, but to use them, be sure that you are connected to the internet, to the mobile data or to the Wi-Fi. So let's select one from the available wallpapers. If you want to set it to the lock screen, you should unselect home screen, tap to next. You will see here the preview, so just tap to done and change as applied to lock screen. Now let's lock the device and we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, get one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap to Wallpaper and Style, click to change wallpapers, and by the same way, let's just, for example, select one from the downloaded photos. Let's select this one, tap to done, unselect home screen to set this wallpaper only to the lock screen, click to next, done, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.